Hello. My child attended the 3D design module of the MeerKats Tech Skills Program. The program introduced her to various aspects of designing new structures from scratch. As part of the program, she was taught to use the Tinkercad tool for 3D design. The program got her to think creatively on the inner aspects of how structures are built from ground up. The teacher did a great job in teaching her the basics of the design and also how to use the tool. They kept the children engaged with different kinds of exercises, which taught the child how to imagine new ideas and then implement them using the tool. She also was very excited with the small mini project that she did at the end of course, in which she came up with her own design for a religious monument. She enjoyed creating the overall structure, she adding new objects to it like pathways and seating areas. She also gave a presentation to the class explaining the monument and its features. My child is now keen to take it further. She now wants to design more complex structures. Overall, I would highly recommend the course as a stepping stone to building creativity and inculcating design thinking in your child. Thank you.